Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Infosys System Engineer role, which is for 3.6 LPA, and it is on technical ability. It is an on-campus placement which is occurred in December 2024. Okay, let us going into the video. Before that, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Right? Let us going into the video. Sixth question. In my previous video, I have done on 5 questions from technical ability. Now it is a continuation from sixth question. If you haven't watched, please go and watch the video. Okay. Find the ratio of milk to water in a mixture that gives 15% profit when sold at a cost price of pure milk. Okay, let us see the explanation. What they have asked you to find the ratio of milk to water in a mixture, right? Okay, let the cost price of 1 liter of milk is 1 rupee. Okay, and cost price of water is 0. Okay, the selling price of mixture should be what? 1. Okay, if sold at a cost of pure milk, right? Okay, to gain 15% of profit, SP selling price of mixture should be 1.15 CP, right? That is the thing, no? That is the profit percentage. Profit percentage is what? SP minus CP by CP into 100. That is the formula. Okay, percentage, profit percentage. Okay, CP of mixture is 1 by 1.15, or CP of 1 liter of mixture can also be written as 100 by 115 into 1 gives rise to 20 by 23. That means the ratio is B. Okay, that is 20 is to 3. See here, it is the thing. CP of milk, pure milk is 20, and of water, their mixture, quantity of milk in the mixture is 20 by 23, and quantity of water in the mixture is 3 by 23. That is 20 is to 3 is the mixture of milk to the water. Okay, total is 23. In that 20 is the milk and 3 is the water. So the percentage I have asked is milk is to water, so that 20 is to 3 is the final answer. Okay, so option B is correct one. Going into the next question, right? Okay, before that, subscribe my channel. Okay, this is the 7th question. There are two groups A and B in a class, consists of 6 boys and 5 girls, whereas B consists of 5 boys and 6 girls. They plan a social activity team of 5 boys and 5 girls such that 5 persons are selected from each of the two groups with at least 2 boys and 2 girls from each group. In how many ways this can be done? Okay, let us see the things. What they have asked, the possible ways of writing 5 boys and 5 girls, right? Okay, now it is from boys and it is from girls, and group A and group B, group A and group B. Okay, now from this, these things are not considered. Okay, two boys from A and three boys from B group. Okay, so these only satisfies the condition. So cancelling the first and last possibility as a condition is choosing exactly 5 members from each group. Total number of ways is 62500. Okay, this is the correct option. I hope you got with this answer. So option D is the correct one. This is the 7th question. Going into the 8th question. Okay, this is the 8th question. 6 boys A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row and not necessarily in a given order. There is only one magazine that circulated from 1st to 6th person. The first person is being at extreme left. One can hand over magazine to only a person who is sitting next to him. The following are the some points to be keep in mind so that you can find the order. Okay, these are the things. Please have a screenshot, okay, to find the correct order. Okay, what is the question is, if F sits in 4th position, then who sits on the 3rd position? Okay, See, here is the explanation for 2, 5 and fourth one. A cannot hand over paper to anybody. It means A sits in the last one. So, I have placed A's position at the last. Okay. Rightmost one. Okay. From 1, B cannot take the paper from C. So, we can assume B cannot be second place. Right? Okay, because it can't take from C. Okay, F cannot pass paper to D. We can assume F cannot be in the second place. Okay, because the shift start from this position. Okay, let us see another conditions. Okay, this is the final arrangements which satisfies those all conditions. So in the question it is given that F sits on the fourth place, then if F sits on fourth place, D will be on third place. Okay, and the question is, if B sits at fourth position, who sits in third position? From the given one, D sits in the third place. Okay, these are the questions which are asked. If you want more and more videos on any of the company, please put it in the comment section. I will make sure of doing videos on that. Okay, last 10th question is, if E sits in the third position, then who sits in the second position? Okay, by this arrangement we can say that F sits in second position. For that, have a screenshot of this question, so that all questions 8, 9, 10 are based on this information only. Okay, that is 8, this is 9th, and the final question is 10th one is here, right? Okay, if you feel this video is informative, please hit a like, share and like my channel. Okay, consider of doing subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.